Hey guys, welcome to another episode here with A&A Mustangs. Today I am going to be painting my truck back here. I'm just going to paint this so I can get a little bit more practice with spraying the gun and the paint. So before we paint the Mustang, I'm going to paint this and see how it comes out. This paint I had for a long time, so I don't have to really buy it, so that's why I wanted to kind of practice on this one. I already got it prepped, pretty much sanded and taped and things like that, so I'm going to start with doing the door jambs around the hood area, and then once that dries a little bit where I can close the doors, I'm going to do the top and all the silver paint. So follow along, just see kind of how we do this. Again, I'm not like a professional painter, so I'm sure there's other better methods out there, but you know, I'm just doing it myself, so no big deal. Follow along.
Music bed.
Alright guys, as you can see, I started painting and then I realized I forgot something. I didn't mask my front windshield or my back window, so that's why we, you know, sometimes we forget things. So good news is I am replacing the windshield along with that rubber seal, but I'm still gonna mask it because I'm not sure it's on order, but I'm not sure when it's gonna get here, so I need to be able to see out the window. And then this back window, well, I haven't painted back here, so I can still mask it. So I'm gonna mask it real quick, and so we can keep going with the paint. So so far, as you can see, I only got not even a full coat here. You can't really see in here too well because there's no light, but it's looking pretty nice. It is gonna be a darker blue than what it was before, but let me get that masked and then we'll keep going. Alright guys, so I got the 3 coats done on the door jambs here. It came out pretty good. I don't know if you can see. Can't see in there too good with the light, but you can see it came out pretty well. A couple little small pieces of like little debris in there, which I can buff out, but overall not bad. So I was mixing a little bit of clear. I'm gonna clear the door jambs as well. I'm just gonna give it about 30 minutes for that. Those coats to dry a little bit more, and then we're gonna do probably 1 coat of clear on the door jambs. I'm not too worried about that. I also did the underneath of the hood, so you can see. Again, it's pretty good. It's It's got a little bit of a little dirt nubs in there, but I don't have a paint boot, so I'm gonna just wait for that to dry, and then I'll shoot the clear, and that'll be it for today. I'll probably go back, and I don't know if I'll do that today or not, but I'll do the gray. It's gonna be in the middle of the vehicle and then on the roof. And I'm not worried about getting a little bit of the gray on the part here on the cowl, because I'm gonna, once I reattach the hood, I'm gonna paint everything again anyway. So I just wanted to make sure I get behind the hood now, so that way I don't have to be opening and closing, same with the door jambs. So I'll get that gray done either probably tomorrow or the day after. We'll see when I get a little bit of time. And then once that's dry for a few days, I'm gonna mask that and then paint the whole truck blue. So yeah, we're just gonna wait on the clear. Check it out. Alright guys, so I got the paint done here on the middle section of the truck. It looks pretty good. You can see it's got a little bit of flake on it. Came out pretty smooth, so just did the middle section and then the roof. It's kind of like a light blue. So came out pretty good. Good practice, I guess, for the car once I paint it. So this paint's a little bit harder than the other one that I'm going to use. This is just like a 2K full thing. The other one's usually a single stage or base coat, clear coat, not single stage but 2-stage. So we'll see how that comes out, but I'm gonna let this dry for a couple of days, and then I'm gonna do all of the blue. I'll mask the center and the roof. I'm gonna have to respray the door jamb a little bit just because I got some of the lighter paint on there, but that's okay. And then I'll just spray the whole truck blue, and we'll see how it comes out. We'll check it out. Hey guys, another day here. I'm gonna paint the rest of the blue here on the truck. As you can see, I already masked all the silverish blue that I painted the roof, and so I'm gonna go ahead and spray that blue a little bit on the door jamb just to cover some of that gray that got in there, and that's gonna be it. Let's see how it comes out. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so finish up the paint on the truck. It came out pretty good. You can see it's pretty good. It has a little bit of orange peel action, very little bit. I mean, you can see, I can see my reflection on it. So I did get some dust naps like on the other paint before, but you know, that's normal when you have a paint booth. But other than that, it's pretty good. I messed with the gun, different techniques, so I can, you know, see what works best. So just gotta get this thing put together and then pretty much go work on the Mustang so we can get that car painted. You know, sand everything off. There's gonna be a lot of sanding on that one, and then the stripes are gonna be different, so I'm gonna have to sand those really well. But thank you for watching. You know, I hope you liked the video. Please leave any comments if you have any questions or any suggestions. Have a nice day.